Hello student, myself V.S. Deshmukh, lecturer in Mathematics, CSMSS College of Polytechnic. Today we are discuss on our first unit, that is the differential calculus, and the subtopic of this is functions. So now in this lecture we find out the values of functions at a given point. Now this is the example. If f of x equals to x square minus 4x, then find the value of f of 2. So in the solution, write down the given equation, that is the given equation is f of x is equals to x square minus 4x. We note this is the equation first. Now we have to find f of 2 here. So put instead of x, as x is the variable, put x is equals to 2 in equation 1. So we get instead of x, when we put 2, then f of 2 equals to 2 square minus 4 into 2. That is f of 2 is equals to 2 square is 4 minus 8. That is the value of f of 2 is equals to minus 4. Here we get the value of the function f of x at a given point x is equals to 2, and that is the minus 4. Now in the next example, here also the question is, if the function is given, that function f of x is equals to x cube plus x, then here we have to find out the value of f of 1 plus f of 2. म्हणजे काय मुलांनो की इथे फंक्शनची व्हॅल्यू दिलेली आहे तुम्हाला x क्यूब प्लस x, आणि त्यात तुम्हाला x इज इक्वल्स टू 1 सबस्टिट्यूट करून f ऑफ 1 शोधायचा आहे, नंतर x इज इक्वल्स टू 2 सबस्टिट्यूट करून f ऑफ 2 शोधायचा आहे, आणि मग त्यांचे ॲडिशन करायचे. सो write down in the solution the given equation is f of x is equals to x cube plus x, that is our equation 1. So we have to find first of all here f of 1. Okay, then put x is equals to 1 in our equation 1. When we putting the value of x is equals to 1, we get f of 1 equals to 1 cube plus 1. म्हणजे जिथे जिथे x हा व्हेरिएबल आहे तिथे आपल्याला काय सबस्टिट्यूट करायचं आहे, 1 सबस्टिट्यूट करायचं आहे. सो f of 1 is equals to what? 1 cube is again 1 plus 1, that is the value of f of 1 is equals to 2, and write down it is our equation 2. Okay, now the next is here, for this example we have to find out again the value of f of 2. Okay, so put x is equals to 2 in equation 1. Look at here, this is our equation 1, x cube plus x. Substitute here x is equals to 2. Okay, now f of 2 is equals to 2 cube plus 2, that is f of 2 is equals to 2 cube means what? 8 plus 2, and 8 plus 2 is 10. So we get here the value of f of 2 is equals to 3. From equation 2 and 3, we can calculate f of 1 plus f of 2, that is equals to 2 plus 10, and then the value of f of 1 plus f of 2 is equals to 12. Here is the answer. Okay, in the next example, also find out the value of function at x is equals to 0 and the value of function at x is equals to 3. The example is here, if f of x equals to x cube minus 3x square plus 5, then find f of 0 plus f of 3. Okay, म्हणजे ह्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये विचारलं काय आहे की f of 0 plus f of 3 काढा, and f of x is given here. So in the solution, given equation is f of x is equals to x cube minus 3x square plus 5, that is our equation 1. Now we have to find out f of 0. For that, put x is equals to 0 in equation 1. So look at here, that is f of 0 is equals to what? 0 cube minus 3 into 0 square plus 5. Then f of 0 is equals to 0 plus 5 and it is nothing but that is equals to 5. So we get here f of 0 is equals to 5 and that is our equation 2. Similarly, put x is equals to 3 in equation 1 to find out the value of f of 3. So f of 3 is equals to 3 cube minus 3 into 3 square plus 5. Therefore, f of 3 is equals to 27 minus 27 plus 5. It is nothing but again 5. So from we write down it is equation 3 and from those equation number 2 and 3 we get the value of f of 0 plus f of 3, that is nothing but 5 plus 5 and that is equals to 10. Here is the solution of the example. So look at here in the fourth example, the function is different. That function is what? X raised to 4 minus 2 into x plus 7. And then the question is find out f of 0 plus f of 2. आता ह्याही एक्झाम्पल मध्ये तुम्हाला फंक्शनची व्हॅल्यू दिलेली आहे. म्हणजे जेव्हा आपण फंक्शनल व्हॅल्यू काढतो तेव्हा फंक्शन्स हे वेगवेगळे दिलेले असतात आणि ॲट डिफरंट पॉइंट आपल्याला त्या व्हॅल्यू शोधायच्या असतात. ओके, हे एक्झाम्पल तुम्हाला एक्झामसाठी 2 मार्क्सला वेटेज आहे, याचं 2 मार्कला येऊ शकतात. पण आता यामध्ये म्हणजे MCQ टाइप क्वेश्चन्स मध्ये याला 1 मार्काचा वेटेज राहणार आहे. So in the solution, given equation is f of x is equals to x raised to 4 minus twice x plus 7. It is our equation 1. Now we have to find out f of 0. Then again put x is equals to 0 in our equation 1. So we get f of 0 is equals to 0 raised to 4 minus 2 into 0 plus 7. F of 0 is equals to 0 plus 7 and it is nothing but 7. Write down it is equation 2 and then again in the next slide we find out the value of f of 2. So substitute or put x is equals to 2 in equation 1. So f of 2 is equals to 2 raised to 4 minus 2 into 2 plus 7. And you know that very well, what is the value of 2 raised to 4? That is the 16 minus 2 into 2 is 4 and plus 7. And f of 2 is nothing but 19. This is our equation 3. So from equation 2 and 3, we can write f of 0 plus f of 2 is equals to 7 plus 19 and it is nothing but 26. So it is the next example and the question is different here. थोडा वेगळा विचारलेला आहे प्रश्न आणि प्रश्न काय विचारलाय बघा तुम्हाला. If f of x is equals to ax plus 10, then find out f of, then one thing is also given, f of 1 is equals to 13 and the question is what? Find out a. Here a is also an unknown factor. fx काय दिलाय तुम्हाला? ax plus 10. आता यात a काय आहे? a हा एक अननोन फॅक्टर आहे आणि त्यांनी अजून एक गोष्ट त्याच्या सोबत दिलेली आहे तुम्हाला की f of 1 is equals to काय आहे? 13. ओके, मग in the solution first of all we write down the given function. Okay, so f of x is equals to what? ax plus 10 and f of 1 is equals to 13. Okay, so for finding f of 1, first of all we put x is equals to 1 in above equation, in the given equation. Okay, so f of 1 is equals to what? 1 into x means 1 a into 1 plus 10. So a into 1 means a. Okay, and we know that the value of f of 1 is what? 13. So we substitute here 13 is equals to a plus 10. Therefore a is equals to 13 minus 10, it is nothing but 3. Okay, so here is the solution. Now in the next example, if function is different here, function आता कशा दिलेला आहे तुम्हाला? थोडं वेगळं दिलेलं आहे न्यूमरेटर आणि डिनोमिनेटरच्या लँग्वेज मध्ये. That function f of x is equals to x square plus 9 upon under the root x minus 3. Then find f of 4 plus f of 5 is the question. Okay, so in the solution, write down first of all the function f of x is equals to x square plus 9 upon under the root of x minus 3, that is your equation 1. We have to find here f of 4 first of all. So put x is equals to 4 in equation 1. Then f of x is equals to what? 4 square plus 9 upon under the root of 4 minus 3. And this is nothing but 16 plus 9 upon root 1. Again here we have to find f of 5. So put x is equals to 5 in equation 1. So f of 5 is equals to 5 square plus 9 upon under the root of 5 minus 3. And 5 square is what? 25 plus 9 as it is upon under root 5 minus 3 is 2 here. That is equals to 34 upon root 2, and it is our equation 3. From equation 2 and 3, we can write f of 4 plus f of 5 equals to, the value of f of 4 is 25 plus 34 upon root 2. Okay, we get here the answer. Here is also a next example. If f of x is equals to sin x, show that f of 3x is equals to 3 times f of x minus 4 f cube x. Now in the given equation is f of x is equals to sin x. Put x is equals to 3x in above equation. So we get f of 3x is equals to sin 3x. And you know that very well. What is the formula for sin 3x? Sin 3 theta, that is the 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. But the theta is x here. So 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x by the identity here. Okay. So replace this sin x by fx again. So 3 f of x minus 4 f cube of x, and it is our solution. Okay. Thank you. These are some examples of the value of function. Thank you very much.